guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Dazzle Nicole, and if you are a return subscriber, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, y'all. So we are back with another video, and this video is going to be a shoe Dazzle haul. If you don't know what shoe Dazzle is a shoe subscription. You pay $49 a month and you get discounted prices on different types of shoes: boots, heels, sandals, even clothes. I do have a couple of clothes pieces, but I'm not sure which one they are because I got them a long time ago. But we're just gonna go with the shoes for right now. It's basically a collective haul. Some of them are out of the boxes and I haven't worn them, so they're technically brand new. Some shoes that I just recently ordered that recently came in the mail last week. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. But wait a minute. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel, please. Then click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything will be down in the description box. Okay, we can get into the video now. I don't remember how many pairs of shoes are in this box. We about to open it. So I have my knife. So they put this, I think it's HelloFresh. Yeah, HelloFresh coupon in here, which it says 18 meals with the code, what is it, across 18 boxes plus first box ships free. Okay. I'm gonna look into this. I'm gonna keep this. Let's start with the new ones and then we can go into the old ones. So they come, this is Just Fab. Just Fab and Shoe Dazzle are the same thing. So this is a Just Fab box. I wear a size 10. So I got these cute little booties. If you are in Houston, the weather can be a little off and on, but I do not have a pair of like short heel kind of booties, white booties. I do have, but they're not plain. They lace up in the front. So these are a size 10, and I'll put me trying the shoe on over here in the corner. But y'all know how my hauls go. So yeah, these are super cute. Hopefully they're comfortable and hopefully they fit. I get into the second pair of shoes. As you can see, it says Shoe Dazzle, and they normal Shoe Dazzle comes in black boxes. The Just Fab comes in those brown, like, new boxes. So let's get into shoe number 2. All right, the second shoe is these cute heels, like wedge heels. They're super cute. I believe I got the long pair of these, and I don't know where it happened to them. So yeah, I just needed a short pair of cute heels just in case, you never know. This one is the bigger box. This is a size 10. And I believe these are the longer ones. Yeah, I remember that. So these are the longer ones that buckle up all the way up to the ankle. These are so cute. I believe the first pair that I had of these were in a size 9, and they really didn't fit like around this part, and it was tight like at the bottom. Like my feet were like almost hanging, so these should fit. They have these little jewels attached to them. Super cute, open toe, wedge heel, not too high, not too short. So it has rubber at the bottom. So yeah, I'll rate these a 10 out of 10. Let's go ahead and get into the older shoes that I have that maybe wore once, maybe not wore at all. So let's go ahead and get into those. All right, the first pair we have is these denim boots. Look at the heel, super cute. They have these studs, pointy studs on them, a light wash, and I believe these are a 10. No, they're a 9, but they fit because I don't wear socks with these. So I tried to wear these once, but we didn't end up going anywhere, so I didn't wear them. So technically I haven't worn these yet. So these are size 9, and they do fit, pointy toe. I'll give these a 10 out of 10 as well. The next shoe we have is these like bloop, bloop, bloop. Like you wrap this around your ankles. Super cute. I thought these were so cute and different. I don't have nothing like this in my closet. And then you turn them around, boop. Super cute, like a little snake on the heel, on both heels. So I just thought these were super cute to have in my closet. These were a size 9.5. So I would get a shoe like this in a lower size just because I don't want them to slide off my feet. So I'm normally in between a 10 and a 9.5. So yeah, I give these, honestly, I try these on and I honestly give these a 7 out of 10 just because this part feels loose on my foot and I be feeling like they're just gonna fly off my foot if I start walking. So I definitely give these a 7 out of 10, but they're super cute, super cute. Next, just a regular nude pair of pumps. I have not wore these yet, brand new. Just a classy nude pump. I feel like every girl should have this in their closet. I believe these are a size 10. These are size 10 because I didn't want them to fit too tight and I actually wanted my foot to go in them. So yeah, I give these a 10 out of 10 just because they're a simple nude shoe. We have these nude like diamond stud shoes, and they are tied at the ankle. How cute is that? Get into the details. Yes, in a regular clear heel. I would give these a 10 out of 10. I have not wore these yet. It's just good to have in the closet, like for a birthday or a wedding or something like that. So I don't have any kind of heels like this in my closet, so I thought this would be a good touch to my shoe heel collection. So I got these. Next we have my combat boots. They're nude and I have the same pair in white. I have wore the white ones before, maybe once or twice. I believe these are a 10. Yeah, these are a 10, and I believe these are a 10. No, the new ones are a 9. These ones don't fit. They fit if I loosened up the the front. They don't zip all the way up because, like I said, I have big calves, so I should have got a 10 in these. But these are super cute for the fall time, springtime, when the weather is not really making up its mind on what it wants to do. So these are really cute and comfortable, and I believe I did wear these once. So they're cute. They are a Prada dupe. And we have these. These are super cute. I did wear these for Mother's Day last year. So I do have a picture in the, I do have a picture in these. Very comfortable, super comfortable. Will highly recommend these if you're going walking for a long matter of time. I believe I got these in a 10. No, I actually got these in a 9. And they do like have trouble fitting. I can't wear socks with these. So if you have big calves, I highly recommend getting a 10 so they will zip in the back. But if I don't wear socks and I put on lotion before I put these shoes on, they fit. So highly recommend these. Super cute. I'll give these a 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 just because they don't zip in the back, but that's not their fault, it's my fault. So that is all for my Shein haul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. That'll be TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. They will all be down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
You liking what you see?